Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website that I found out to actually use free API keys to call AI models such as Quen, Claude, GPT, DeepSeek. So if you simply type this on Google, ZenMux AI, the very first website which comes, this is an LLM API platform. So I'm using this for last 6 months and it is perfectly working. So right here, once you come to this, you can actually explore the models which are there inside this. So a total of 157 models are there. Quen, OpenAI, Quen 3, DeepSeek, Quen 3. So all these models are there. So now to get started, you can continue with your Google or GitHub account. So this just take 2 minutes to sign up. So once you authenticate, it will provide you with the API key. So once you authenticate, so in the free plan, you will see that they also have the pro plan as well. You get basically five. Unfortunately, I think yesterday they have API access, but now they have discontinued the API request access in the free plan. So for the APIs, you need to upgrade, but in the free plan, you can access the chat in the playground section to actually access the API. So this is their playground section. You get once you sign up, you get this chatbot section right here, and here you can ask any question. So I asked the question, so it's actually using this OpenAI GPT model. So it's actually a image generation model. So this is their documentation. You can actually see their documentation of the API. So these are different endpoints of the API. This is a base URL. So this is for Anthropic. You will see that this is for OpenAI. You also have Google Vertex AI, platform API as well. So all the AI models are there. You also have the ability to attach the file image as well, your own image. So you can see it actually generated a fully fleshed image top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So it takes some time in the free plan, but it generates the image for you. Now you can actually simply open this image in new tab and download this image. So similarly, you can, these are different models. You can configure the model here. So they also provide this actual SDK. So now to create the API key, you can top up right here by clicking the top up button to top up the credits. So to create the API key, just give it a name. So it gives you your own API key, as you can see that you can copy to clipboard. So right here it shows you the actual usage, total token usage, input token, output token, API request. So all the API requests will be right here. So these are cost. You can see that. So It's a great website. Totally, you can get started for completely free. You can access their playground section. So this is their video generation model as well. So enter prompt to start generating videos as well. So right here you specify, you can select all the major models right here. You will see that Alibaba, ByteDance, Google View as well. ByteDance, everything is there.